Hey everyone, we're back to another video, and for today's problem we're going to look at a simple ratio problem. This is the question. There are 100 coins consisting of 20 paise, 50 paise, and 1 rupees, which are in the ratio 7:8:5. Let's write it down so that we are clear about what we have. Total coins is 100, and we have been given that the ratio, okay, the ratio of the number of coins of, let's see, 20, 50, and 1 rupees respectively is 7:8:5. And there is also another clue right here. The difference between the amount yielded by 20 paise and 1 rupees is 18. So let's write that down somewhere in the corner. The amount yielded. Okay. So amount of 1 rupees minus the amount of 0.20 rupees is equal to 18. Okay, we're gonna come back to that later. Right now, looking at this equation, looking at all these ratios and all the different numbers we have, it might get a little confusing as to where do we begin, how do we solve this problem. But for this type of problem, the answer is actually quite simple, and you can start here by looking at this ratio and the total number of coins. Keep in mind that there are only 3 types of coins, and we've been given their ratios. So, 7:8:5. This is the ratio in which the 100 coins are split. So, if we want to find out (20 parts), so this is exactly what it means. It means that 100 coins are divided into 20 parts. Out of those 20 parts, 7 belongs to 20 paise, 8 belongs to 50 paise, and 5 belongs to 1 rupees. If we can find out the value of one part, then we can find the value of all the 3 parts. But how do we find the value of one part? We can take the 100 coins and we can split it into 20 equal parts, right? Because that's what this actually means. Now, this is pretty simple calculation, right? One part equals 100 divided by 20. So 100 coins divided by 20 parts. So one part equals, cut this thing out, and you'll get 5 coins. So now this part becomes a little more useful to us. 7:8:5. 7 parts. Okay, 7 parts is for 20 paise. 8 parts is for 50 paise. And finally, 5 parts is for 1 rupees. We already know how much each part holds. So if we want to find the total number of coins, we just have to multiply 7 with 5 here, Here 8 with 5, and we can multiply 5 with 5. So that's 25, that's 40, and that's 35. So this is just the number of coins. Number of coins. There are 25 coins, which are of the denomination 1 rupees, 40 coins of 50 paise, and there are 35 coins of 20 paise. Our question was, what is the number of coins of 50 paise? Number of coins of 50 paise. The answer is 40. We didn't even have to use this complicated equation. But if you want to verify it, we can use these values and plug them in here. So amount of 1 rupees minus amount of 20 paise. Okay. Amount of 1 rupees minus amount of 0.20 rupees equals to here. There are 25 coins of 1 rupees minus there are 35 coins of 0.2 rupees. Pretty simple calculation. 25 minus 70. So 7.0. So that's just 7. And if you subtract this, you're going to get 18. Amount of 1 rupees minus amount of 20 paise is 18, given to us in the question. So now we verified that these numbers are actually correct. So our final answer, 40, still holds true. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next video.